ready?
Sure, born ready.
Hello everyone, it's me again, Magnus from Heracles Machinery. So here we have our small dumper, DT10. And you just saw how you can drive this machine. You can drive through doorways, narrow places on construction sites, just to move material. That's what you use this machine for. It's 85 centimeters wide. The weight is 500 kilo, and you have a payload for 1000 kilo. So it's with a self-loading bucket, so you can load material by yourself and move material in a good way on your yard or construction site or wherever you need to move material. Very simple dumper, but good dumper. Really good dumper. With Briggs & Stratton engine, you have a good position here when you drive it. You just control the driving belts with these two handles, and then you have these two handles to operate the dumping and the loading. Basically, I think it's perfect for construction companies, demolition companies, basically all people that needs to move material can use this machine. So we can just take a look around. It comes with some weights here for stabilization. You have the lifting points here and here, so you can lift it with a crane. I think this is good on our dumper. We have a good angle on the belt here, so you can climb good over obstacles. And it comes with weights here for more stabilization. And I will test the function so you can see how it dumps and how it loads. You can come and see on this side. Here you see all the cylinders and how it's made here. I think it's strong, durable dumper. Here you have all the hoses, so it's pretty easy to maintain. If a hose breaks, you can easily change it from here. We can also take a look at the engine. So it's the original Briggs & Stratton XR 2100. It's a 420 cubic engine, like 13 horsepower. And you have the electrical starter with a battery here. And also you have a hydraulic damper there for make the hydraulic smooth. You are welcome to Sweden if you want to test it out. So this was episode 1 for our dumper video. We will make more videos with this one. We will take it to customers and let them test it, and yeah, you will see more of it. So please follow us and subscribe down here, and yeah, we keep in touch. Bye bye everyone.